and I want to invite the chair of the Bureau, Dr. Rolf Dach.
Yeah. We have seen a huge team that did a great work. And Jose was presenting to many people a certificate or acknowledgement. And the first thing what I want to do, to hand over you the certificate from the IGS to organize this workshop. Please come to me because I have really
A certificate here.
Thank you. Yeah, and something that Jose also already pointed out, that this workshop was based on a big effort by the Central Bureau, in particular Mara, that was the only representative of the CB here in place, and I think she was everywhere. And I want to thank you. Enjoy it with your family. You will have him back soon.
I had the best gift.
Thank you,
And one more for Camille. So one more for Camille, who cannot be there, unfortunately.
We'll see. She gets it.
But I have a small surprise for you.
One picture?
Ah, you need picture first. So, Camille, are you online? Oh. This is not according to the plans. Okay. If it doesn't work, then we can try it later again. It's like in the news, when you try to make a connection over the world. So, what did you had this week? Yeah.
Rolf, Camille just wrote to the chat that she is online.
Okay.
Hi. Yeah, I need it to be switched to presenter mode. There we go.
Yeah.
Hi, everyone.
Yes, please.
Okay. Thank you very much for this. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Camille Martyr. I'm at the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory and the Deputy Director of the IGS Central Bureau. Unfortunately, I was not able to travel to Chile due to medical reasons, and I'm deeply saddened not to be able to join you all on this wonderful event. I was able to follow everything from online, and everything seemed seamless from my side, all thanks to Mara. And I'm delighted to have her as the CB representative in person this year. On behalf of the Central Bureau, I would like to thank and congratulate the local organizing committee chaired by Jose, as well as the scientific organizing committee chaired by Gustavo for the preparation and execution of this event, as well as eCongress and Robert Kachikian for the online platform and all of the technical support they all did. And of course, we are also very grateful for the University of Santiago de Chile and all co-organizers and sponsors for the funding and hosting of this event. Of course, mentioned many times before, the first one on the South American continent. Also mentioned many times before, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks and congratulations to Mara. She did an incredible job, coordination, on top of her scientific work and being a particularly conscientious scientist that I've had the pleasure to meet this past year. We are all very lucky to have her as a colleague within the IGS. Without all these folks, this event would not have been as successful as it was. But most importantly, and finally, I would like to thank our community for engaging with this event and for trusting us for hosting it. Our international collaboration is what makes the IGS special and such a wonderful space to work and evolve in. Thank you all so much, and I hope to see you at the next one. Cheers.
Yeah, thank you for this nice word. It's really a pity that you cannot join because I know how much hours and days you have spent in making this event possible. So.
I hope to join the next one, and I know everyone's done an incredible job, and I really don't enjoy your time there. So that's all that matters, is that it went well. So, yeah.
Yeah, thank you for these nice words. And let's continue. We had a big program. And looking into my notes from this week, what did we learn? There are people that don't like Linux anymore. Each AC is using a different attitude for the satellites. In between, we had some earthquakes. ESA or processing data at ESA is cool. What else did I note? Edifix is not just a small, cute dog, but can do something with ambiguities. Machines are learning about troposphere, ionosphere with mobile phones, or Adela is at home in South America. Apart from this exciting talks in the morning, we had a number of keynote speeches that we can also summarize. We learned that VLBI is not just cool for geodesy, it's also interesting for astronomy purposes. Chile goes to the space. IGS, Sirgas are friends. And, oops, the next earthquake. And you should be careful when you import something from Chile. It might be a tsunami. Apart from this, we had also other things that we could learn here in Chile. Be careful with Chilean wine. There might be the devil inside. But we enjoyed at least the tour through the winery. Oops. There have been some moments where we lost the light. But the Chilean guys are that cool that within a short moment they could organize a solution for the problem. Okay, some of you might be that unlucky to have been asked for an interview. And we also learned that our analysis centers are not only able to process data, but they can also take some food or drinks. Okay. What else I need to say? You have mentioned already this UN sheet, the stuff with the with the upload. What I should add is that the chairs of the committee meetings should not forget about the recommendations according to the deadline in CB timescale, not in Chilean timescale. And something for all of you. You will shortly get a link from the CB with a questionnaire to give some feedback on this event. And this is, of course, important for the next hosts, that we can improve, that the next workshop will even become better, even if it is in practice impossible. So, something where I want to remind you what I have shown you on Monday. Whoops, one too quick. We have just 5 associate members. It means there are just 5 people on the entire continent that are contributing to the IGS. I hope that after this event we might have, let's say 5 more at least. So I see at least some people that are working hard with providing data, working on Zirgas, and so on. Possibly you can surprise us, like it did happen in my hometown a few weeks ago, when we got the championship in the Swiss national ice hockey. And the point was, the organizers expected 30,000 people, but in fact 80,000 came. So this 5 to 10 people is not the limit for new associate members. Yeah, and the last thing what I can say, I thank you, all of you, for being here and for the contributions, of course. And we have seen already the same slide, or nearly the same slide from Jose, with a lot of happy people. And I think we can take this workshop in that sense with us. And the only thing what remains now for me is to thank you for participation, for all your contributions. And then looking forward to the next event that will happen in 2 years from now. Now the question is where.